So, very good afternoon to everyone. This side Priyanshu Raj, founder of Flames Academy, and today we have Priyanshi Vasisht, All India rank 278 in CLAT 2021, who is a distance learning program student of Flames as well as Super 40 member of Flames. So, many congratulations, Priyanshi. How are you?
Thank you, sir. I'm very nice.
So now you CLAT crack, and now you are going into NLU Jodhpur. So, how was your feeling? Tell me, how's your feeling? How are you doing?
So I'm very delighted. It's like I've heard that hard work yields results, and I've seen this happen.
Okay, and how was the environment of your home when when you just got the result and you was all your rank something like that? So tell me the reaction of fathers, mom, bhaiya, and whatever.
Sir, everybody was very, very happy, and they had tears in their eyes. So, like, it is something that I cannot explain. It was like very nice.
Okay, very nice. That's great. So tell me about your journey of life.
I started preparing for CLAT 2 years back. I was in 11th then. I had taken a coaching, but it proved to be futile because I don't know. It was I was not that connected with them. Then in the second year, I came in contact with you, and things started to change. And you were there at every point in the second year, and my scores boosted, my personality changed, and everything just fitted.
Okay, that's really great. So have you imagined or have you assumed something like that we are going into NLU Jodhpur this year? Are you going to crack the CLAT? Are you sure about it?
No, sir, before the paper, I was not because my scores used to vary like really. I used to get like one mark, I used to get 70, the other I would get 110. So they would vary. But after writing the paper, I was pretty sure that I'll get a good NLU.
Okay, that's really great. And now you just told me that you have a sometimes you got something 70s now again 100 plus. So there are lots of queries I always used to get to. कि mark में number कम आता I feel very demotivated. I'm feeling low. So how are you going to counter it? How are you countering it? Somehow when you got to
For
70.
me, I would always think कि जो अभी marks कमा रहे हैं, it is for a better good. So मेरे को लगता था कि like अभी जब 70 आएंगे तभी एक्चुअल पेपर में ज्यादा आएंगे, तो अभी फोकस मोर ऑन एनालाइजिंग, परेशान होने से ज्यादा.
Okay, that's great. So how many marks you have given to the whole the journey in last 1 year?
Sir, initially I would focus on giving more marks, but in the latter part of my preparation, I started focusing on analyzing. So I gave like 90 marks, but yeah, I would focus on analyzing.
Okay, so analyzing is the key to improve your score in the actual paper or in the mock itself. That's a key.
Definitely.
Okay, dear CLAT 22 takers, please mention these points. Okay, so tell me about your strategy. How you are going to attempt the mock? How you were attempting all the mocks? Any strategy?
Yes, sir. I used to like initially what I used to do was I would take up sections. So I knew my legal was very good. So I would take up legal, then I would take GK, and I would go like in this series. But I remember it was 3rd of July, you took planes mock, and I scored 70. But I learned a very important thing from that mock. It was that you should not pick up sections this way, but questions that you are strong at. So instead of picking sections from then onwards, I would pick up only the questions from that section which are strong, which of course boosted my skills.
Okay,
In
that's
the
why
last part of it.
classroom that dear 20 need to take the one thing which is really important. CLAT or any competitive exam is not about to solve each and every question. It's all about to solve the right question which we are most comfortable in that, right? That should be the strategy, and then which Priyanshi followed in their during their preparation. Am I right, Priyanshi?
Yes, sir, absolutely.
Okay, so tell me that what were your major section that which you counted? How did you prepare for GK, maths, English, legal, CR? Tell me something about it.
So for every section, instead of like going according to like a book or something, I would pick up section tests every day, like 2 section tests for each section, and I would focus on what mistakes I'm doing in the section test. I would like take the section test by reducing 5 minutes. So if I take like 30 minutes in solving English in the actual mock, I would take like 25 minutes in the section test and try to solve the entire English section and wrap it up in 25 minutes. Likewise, I did for all the sections. For sections which for like logical reasoning, if I was weak at something, I would take up GMAT questions. For maths, I would take up RS Agarwal or 18 Days Wonder. And for English, it was random practice, but I would research about how I can improve my main idea questions or anything that, or vocab. If I would come across words, I would add them in my list. And for GK, I referred to like 3, 4 sources, not more than them, not less. And I would take up quizzes and read newspaper articles. That's it.
That's pretty much fair. And whatever you know, your technique of current affairs, any sources, any something like that.
Yes, sir. So current affairs, I took reference from News Canvas. Then I did topics from Clatpost and topic list of different coachings as well. And I would take quizzes from Telegram and from Google as well. And at last, the newspaper articles from Hindu, Indian Express. That's it.
That's it. Great. And how was your journey in Flames?
So Flames was a game changer for me. So in the second year of my preparation, things started to change because of Flames only. So one, there were people are very supporting. They'll solve all your doubts. And so Shanu sir, you launched a booster series, CR booster series, and you taught us legal as well. And those tips and tricks really helped a lot in the actual exam as well.
Okay, that's pretty much fair. And just tell me that when you are going to the counter the actual paper, right? CLAT 2021. So what was your strategy? Anything going around your mind? Tell me about that.
So before CLAT 2021, the day CLAT 2020 happened, after 1 week, I took CLAT 2020 at my home. And I was very scared. And from that day, I knew that it more than practice, this game was about mind. So I started preparing myself that way from that day to the D-Day itself. And I think that helped because on the D-Day, I was not nervous or anything. I think for most of the people, that nervousness ruined everything. And I think I played their role.
Okay. So you counter with your mindset that I am to be very positive. I don't be feeling low. That what will happen, will you get to know about it? What will happen in the coming future? There is no sometimes assumptions going around your mind, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's really great. So my very last question to is that tell me the success mantra for CLAT 22 or CLAT 2023 takers. What do you want to suggest?
So for them, I would say there are 2 very important things. One being when you're reading anything, be it anything or a newspaper or a novel, put a timer so that you focus and comprehend well. And second, I would say read newspapers every single day. And I think that would like take major part of your preparation. If you are well in both of these things, I'm pretty sure your scores will boost and you will be at a level playing field with other aspirants.
Okay, that's really good. Anything about the notes because I didn't know GK कैसे करें, GK कैसे करें. Anything about GK कैसे करें या कब से करें?
Sir, I think जैसे ही पेपर एंड होता है for like अभी last July में end हुआ. So from August we can start. We can take like 3, 4 sources like I did for like News Canvas, Clatpost, and topic list. Take quizzes a lot. And whichever topic you're doing, read newspaper articles of the topic. That's it.
Okay.
But still, it is very unpredictable.
Yeah,
I'm sorry, sir.
Yeah, it's very unpredictable. It happens this year. It's not the new thing, right? Ticket will be always unpredictable.
Yes, sir.
And any tips regarding how to attempt a mock to all the new takers, CLAT 2022, 2023 takers in their first phase?
Yes, sir. I would say. Yes, sir. I would say that whenever you attempt a mock, start with the section that is strong. Don't do all the questions in that section, but the ones which you're strong at. And from before starting any section, mark which questions you have to do first, which you have to do afterwards, And I think once you in your first round or in the first hour in the paper, complete all the questions which you're strong at. So that will give you an edge as well as confidence to proceed with the paper.
Yeah, that's really interesting or important point which you mentioned right now. So that's from my side. This side Priyanshu, his name is Sanu, myself, and this is Priyansi. Thank you so much, Priyansi, for joining today's session. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, sir.